Economics Minister Mustapa Mohamed is being investigated for eating at a coffee shop while on a constituency visit to Kelantan, his office has revealed. A statement this evening issued by the minister's office said Mustapa had visited Alfath Café in Kampung Kulai, Jeli, on Saturday. Mustapa is MP for Jeli. Mustapa admitted to being served food while at the shop. The statement said the Jeli District Police contacted him this afternoon to say that an investigation paper has already been opened, after photographs showing him at the cafe were widely shared on social media. Mustapa apologised for the violation of the SOP and left it entirely to the police to take appropriate action, the statement said. Restaurants are allowed to offer only takeaway and delivery services under the current national lockdown rules, which forbid dining in.